When we see this blue twinkling light, we can also see it as plasma light. And if you don't know, we are ascending now, even more so. This is 2023 that I'm making this video. Ascension's really kicking in because we are receiving plasma light codes from the sun, which is upgrading us, the solar sun. It's happening. It's the ascension process. It's the golden age we are living in now. Some beings will ascend and some won't. It's choosing between, you could say, the dark and the light. It's choosing between staying in a low vibrational frequency of fear, guilt and shame and buying into that false matrix identity, or moving toward the positivity, love, harmony, happiness, unity, consciousness. For you, those of you that are seeing the lights, you know, I'm pretty sure that you are ascending and you are raising your energy and being able to see these bandwidths, which is really special. Now, the blue light is also linked, I would say, these are my observations. The blue chakra is the throat chakra. And when we look at the throat chakra, it's linked to the vagus nerve. So I had this realization the other day.